The Wartburg 311 was an East German vehicle produced between the years of 1956 through to 1965. Released in different variations, the body design was offered as either a pickup, sedan, limousine or coupe. Powered through a two-stroke 900cc three-cylinder engine and paired to a 4-speed manual transmission, these cars remain a pleasure to drive. Offering an economic 37 brake horsepower, the Wartburg was able to produce 81 Newton meters of torque. A total of 55,000 of these examples were produced, with the majority being exported after the 2-year exclusive run in Germany. These cars are an incredibly rare German series, and this example was produced in the first year of manufacturing.